slide, please.
Oh, okay. But now?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. Uh, Bonjour. Hello, everyone. I'm Abdul Samad Rahim. I am the lead head at the Algorithms for Life India and Middle East. Today, I'm going to talk about the why artificial intelligence and big data is being talked, debated, argued among the students, among the governments, and the industry experts. Who are we? Well, we are the people who manage the big data, we clean data, we create algorithms using various machine models. We help for the industries to fuel their business by deriving insights from your data, which didn't even know. And second, lastly, we are based in the heart of, in India, Silicon Valley of India, Bangalore. What we do, we collect data from the various sources, we structured, unstructured data, we clean data using the various unified models, we we use the machine learning models, develop the insights, predict the models, and also we give the strategies to the strategies for creating algorithms, share data for better life. Application of data science and artificial intelligence in healthcare. Medicine and healthcare is a revolutionary and a promising industry implementing the data science and artificial intelligence. I just want to highlight a few of them, like robotic surgery, virtual nursing assistant, personalized and precision medicine, better patient journey. Here the slide which had been give the volume of the, it says about 160 billion dollars is saved annually by end of 2026. This is data is only for the US, and the source of this data is Accenture Consulting. Here, robotic surgery, virtual nursing assistants, and the administrative workflow assistants contribute major chunk of the contribution. If you go to the previous slide, we just want to say robotic surgery, it will not only helps the deriving the saves the cost, but also it's the eliminating the all the uh, hurdles when performing the surgery. And hemodialysis, by evaluating the data machine tools, it's highly recommended using machine learning tools. It's highly recommended that if the first patient is going through a dialysis, they are. It's said that more than out of 1,002 people, they perform dialysis out every week, either at the surroundings or a clinic, giving them more flexibility choice to the patients. Using machine tools, virtual nursing assistants, we give a flexibility to the patient to perform and live a regular life. Not only that, it also helps the clinics and hospitals to reduce cost in administrative and the treatment process. What we need data, structured, unstructured data. We're integrating the complex data wherein we integrate, clean, using various machine tools, deep learning tools, various artificial intelligence techniques and tools, and perform the task, giving the which helps in decision making and smoothen the process. It's as I said in the previously, big data. We have the data, big data, wherein we clean, perform the various tasks, implementing the machine learning tools, algorithms, create models, and provide the prediction signature, decision signature. We are current projects. We have collaborated with the collaborated with the Marvin Etias in studying the TRAMS initiative in the thermodialysis patients. Objective of this study is to study the study of microbiodata, mitochondrial activity occurrence in muscle cramps in hemodialysis patients. Patients with cramps provides different patterns. Patients without cramps provide different patterns. Creating machine algorithms and data, we are able to get insight who get cramps and accordingly prepare the clinical procedures, thereby reducing the time, process, and the patient stress. Summarize who we are. We are the architectures, we are the data engineers, we are the data scientists, can work with complex data, create modules, integrating data, applying machine learning tools, deep learning modules, and add an intelligence to your data, to humans giving valuable insights which didn't even know before. Artificial intelligence here is here to stay. It will not replace humans with machine, but work alongside with them. Write to us for both information and clarification. Thanks and mercy. See you in Bangalore.